In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute Telegram notifications. If your phone keeps lighting up with pings from busy chats, muting is a quick way to take back your focus without leaving any conversations. You'll still receive messages. You just won't be interrupted until you're ready. Start by opening the Telegram app and finding the chat you want to quiet. This can be any conversation you're part of. Open the chat so you can see its messages, then look to the top of the screen. Tap the profile picture or the chat name at the top. This opens the chat's info panel, where you can manage how it behaves, including its notification settings. Next, tap the bell icon. This is the mute control. When you tap it, Telegram will offer options for how long you want to mute. Pick the duration that fits your situation. Maybe just long enough to finish a meeting, or for a longer stretch if you know the conversation will stay busy. After you confirm, the chat will stop alerting you during that time frame. You can unmute at any time by tapping the bell again. If you want broader control across the app, you can adjust Telegram's notification settings directly. From within Telegram, go to Settings, then Notifications and Sounds. Here you can toggle off the types of alerts you don't want. For example, you can silence message notifications, group alerts, or calls. This is useful if you'd like consistent behavior across all chats rather than muting them one by one. While you're there, consider turning off in-app sounds or in-app preview. Disabling these stops tones and pop-up banners from appearing while you're actively using Telegram, so you can read and reply on your own terms without extra distractions. You'll still see messages when you open the chat. They just won't jump in front of what you're doing. If you need complete quiet from Telegram, use your phone's system settings. Open your device's settings, go to Apps, find Telegram, then tap Notifications. Toggle off the main notification switch. This blocks all alerts from Telegram at the system level. It's the most thorough option and helpful when you need silence across the board. Just remember to turn it back on when you're ready to receive alerts again. That's it. Choose the quick per chat mute for targeted quiet, fine-tune app-wide behavior in notifications and sounds, or use your phone settings for a total pause. Thanks for watching and enjoy a calmer, more focused Telegram experience.